Hey guys, this is Daniel from PwnCNC. Let's talk about push clamps. They just come out in the store. Let get a closer look, see what you'll receive, and see how to throw it together. Hey guys, here we are up close. In your package, you'll receive a base, and both the base for both the curved and the straight are identical. Then of course we've got either the curved head or the flat head for the clamp. And you'll notice that whenever you receive it, the screw is actually in backwards. This is on purpose. It helps lower the manufacturing time that I have to spend on it because, of course, I'm only one person. So all you'll need to do is remove the screw. These are M5 screws, so very simple, easy to pull right out. You should be able to do it by hand. When you pull it out, you'll want to do a little bit of cleanup, just kind of wiggle it back and forth. Let me see if I can get real close. There may be a little debris from whenever I screwed it in this way to push out and clear out the path. Now, you can take a knife or, in fact, let me do that. Just a little knife just to kind of clear it out there. Notice we got a nice clean setting or clean hole. We should easily be able to screw this back in. So what I'm going to do is going to take the head piece, put the screw right through it, just like this, and we're going to screw it right on. Now, it is easier if you get an M5, or I guess it'd be an M4 hex wrench, and it just goes right in. Now, thread it in until you get to maybe flush with this back piece here, and now you're ready to go. And just do that to the same thing. I'll do it one more time. So just remove the piece, the screw. This is an M5 by 20, so there should be plenty of travel. Just remove this extra material. And again, you may need to use a little knife to just kind of wiggle it around like that, just to clean it up. Take your head part. Take the screw. Now, if there's a little debris, you may need to clean up that debris right there. It's just an artifact of 3D printing. There we go. Put it right through there. Line it up. It should be a 45-degree angle from the base. And just screw it in. If you feel like it's going in wrong, just kind of readjust your screw. Maybe you've got it in the wrong way, slightly off. It is going into a threaded insert, and there may be some of the plastic may have been caught. You may need to switch over to a drill with a hex bit on it. There we go. Now, perfectly set, all ready to go. Let's do a zoom in on the wasteboard and see how to use these. All right, here you are with a close-up. I have a little round piece. It's already been cut, but let's say we're going to cut this. So let's go ahead and clamp this. I have one of my fences here, and of course a quarter by 20 screw, which fits my wasteboard. I'm going to come in actually from a nice little angle with my corner, or with my curved head here. That gives 2 points of contact on my stock, so it should hold it in real nice. I'm going to rotate it around just a bit until I find one of my wasteboard spots that lines up. And notice that the head of the push clamp is all the way in the backward position, and I'm going to push the push clamp right up against my stock there. Make sure it's pushed down nice. Now I'm going to secure the base. There we go. So the clamp's not going anywhere. The stock still moves because we haven't tightened down the head. So I'm going to come in at 45, tighten that down. And you don't need to do too tight. it's not going to go anywhere. And it's nice and secure. The flathead works exactly the same way. The difference is when you're working with circular stock, it's only got one point of contact. So if you do a lot of circular stock cutting, definitely recommend the curved heads. Otherwise, go ahead and get one of the flat heads. That'll give you a nice flat surface to hold onto your stock. And we're all good. All right, hopefully you've understood exactly how to assemble the push clamps. Reach out to me if you need to. I'm happy to answer questions, anything to help you out. Yeah, hope you enjoy the push clamps. I've got tons of them made up, so if you need them, just reach out. Happy to help. Thanks for joining me. Happy making.